Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. In this day and age, where everybody has hundreds of AI subscriptions, I wanted to take a step back and take refuge in the open source community to handle most of my tasks. While doing this, I also stumbled upon some roadblocks. One of the major ones was switching from ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT offers a free tier in which you can use the GPT 3.5 model, I didn't want to use it because it is pretty out of date by today's standards and cannot handle multimodal input. It also has pretty old training data. So, yeah, that didn't work. There were also some obvious competitors like Gemini and Claude. However, they also had some similar issues which didn't quite work for me. So, I started looking for a self-hosted alternative, and after searching just a little, I found out about OLLaMa. OLLaMa is a server-like thing through which you can install open-source models on your computer and serve it as an API for other applications to use. Now, with OLLaMa, the back-end was solved, but I still needed a good front-end to interact with. So, I went back to searching, and after some research, I found out about OpenWebUI. It has a very similar interface to ChatGPT, so it should work well. It is also compatible with OLLaMa. Now, let's get both things installed one by one. First, head over to the OLLaMa website and choose your operating system. I use Linux, so I'll copy this command. Next, paste it into your terminal and it will get installed. Now, it's installed. We'll need to install a model now. You can head over to the OLLaMa website and click on the Models button. Here you'll find tons of models for specific use cases. I'll be using the Mistral model. Click on the model. A page will appear with a command. Copy the command and paste it into your terminal. It'll be installed, and you'll see a chat prompt appear on your terminal. You can test it by sending a hello message. It's working well. Now, open up another terminal window and go to the OpenWebUI GitHub page. Copy the first command you see on the page and paste it. It will get installed. By the way, for this command to work, you'll need to have Docker installed. Next, you'll see that it's installed. Open up localhost with port 3000 and you'll see the login page. Create a user from signup and get logged in. You'll see this page. Go to Settings and open up the Connection tab. Check if the OLLaMa connection URL is correct or not by clicking the refresh icon. Once you've checked that everything is fine, come back to the home page. Select the model, in my case it's Mistral, and start chatting with it. Pretty cool. It works really well. You can use it with multiple models as well. I don't generally use document or image inputs, so I prefer Mistral. But if you prefer using your chatbot with images and documents, then you can choose a suitable model from the OLLaMa site and use it here. The UI provides you with options for using the chat with images, documents, and videos. Pretty cool. I'll be using this going forward. Let me know if you'll be using this as well in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.